Good morning, guys, or good night. I don't know what time you're watching this, but I hope you're having a great day. I am going to refresh up the interior on the Mark III Golf. Yeah, let's go ahead and show you guys what I'm working with. You would have already seen this in a previous video. You guys know about that. Here's the Mark III Golf. I already started working on it, so I already took out my Thrash racing seat. This is the old interior. I did a lot of this maybe 3-4 years ago now, so it's looking kind of rough. This is just a Walmart blanket that had glow-in-the-dark hearts on it. I thought was pretty cool. But we're basically going to do everything to match this, so I might redo that door card over there too. Definitely got to do that one. But first things first is we're going to do this carpet, and then maybe put another bucket seat over there. Here's the Thrash racing seat. Definitely putting that back in, but we're going to do all pink fabric like this to kind of make everything monotone, just like a classic kaido racer would be. Here's the old seat that I was running before I could afford a Thrash seat. So this might go in the passenger seat, probably end up will, just so that way I have something in there besides just throwing fabric over the OEM seat for now. Here's one of the seats that was in the car for the past 10 years that I've had it. These aren't the original seats for the car. These are the Mark III party seats. Some people call them confetti seats, but the confetti seats are a little bit different. Under the back seat is also a matching set of party seats too, so you know, Mark III purists would be rolling in their graves knowing that I'm just covering up all this kind of rare Mark III shit, but whatever. Alright, what we're gonna do now is just get all this crap out of here and then tear up this Walmart blanket shit. All of it's just glued down to the OEM carpet, which probably isn't the best way to do it. Definitely need a fire extinguisher. Old carpet's out. Shout out Slipknot. Look at all that glue residue. We're gonna go ahead and vacuum all this up and then look for the parts for the other bucket seat bracket and put that over here and then throw that other old seat in. Alright, and it's all vacuumed as much as I could. Still a lot of dirt and stuff, but because of the glue and everything, it's hard to get out. Plus fabric's going over it anyway. And then I soft mounted this. I don't have the side brackets like I thought I did, so I just ordered them off the internet. They should be here tomorrow. But this is in, just gotta go ahead and tighten the 2 bolts that hold it down in the back, and then this pin keeps it secure enough. So went ahead and laid everything in here, kind of roughly tucked it up in the corners up here on both sides, laid it over so I can kind of get an idea of like where I'm gonna cut like the slits at. So I'm gonna cut like one in the middle to lay over the center part, and then cut around the brackets right there, and then we'll start to kind of form it out a little bit. Right now that's kind of the rough mock-up. So, I did a bunch to the interior. I still have a little bit left to do, but I'm not going to film it just because I'm going to be in a rush to do it this weekend. Almost everything is back together. I got a bolt in the passenger seat still. I got to do the door cards. All of that red's getting taken out. It's going to be full pink. And then I got to put the other 3 door cards in because they're not in. Started the interior, I think, a little over 5 years ago now, so it definitely needed a refresh. Everything looks a lot better in here, a lot cleaner. We love trains. Alright, what up guys? It's like springtime, kind of nice, a lot of pollen in the air. I keep sneezing. I'm basically gonna work on the Golf and get it running again. We got to move it from this spot back into the garage. But first we gotta move the Jetta and take the chopper out of the garage and the scooter. So let's go ahead and move some stuff around and get to it. Yeah. Mess in here. I'm gonna have to sweep all this shit out. I think actually what I'm gonna do first is the chopper's dead. It needs a new battery, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to figure out how to take that battery out. I think I have to unbolt it from the bottom down here, and that should release the tray. Can't take the seat off, and it's solid under here, underneath the seat. So I'm gonna go ahead and move that off, I guess. All right, I got it out. The battery tray sucks. Now I'm gonna go to AutoZone and see if I can grab a battery, make sure it fits the tray and shit. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean that off first. Real quick though, I think Malachi's coming over, hang out for a little bit, so I'll have him help me move the Golf into the spot. Cool, I think we're gonna hop on the scooter and just go down to AutoZone. So let me pull that out and start it up. Oh look, a Garson. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try to start this up. See if I can move it. I'm gonna have to put some wood down in front too, because I will get stuck right here. So go ahead and put some wood pieces down and try to drive onto them. Malachi's here, and we are charging the battery so we could try to start this. It almost started, but just needs to be on the trickle charger a little bit longer. What did you think of riding the scooter?
Dude, it was fun. I need to get a scooter like right now.
Dude, look. This is from the wood bees. They chew on the wood up here, and then they, when they're chewing on it, they like spit it out. Look, there's one in there, right in the hole.
Oh, no way.
Yeah, look, he's coming out. Hey, friend. Yeah, you're eating the wood and making it not structurally good anymore. So yeah, they just throw like the wood out and it turns into this like
goo.
Yeah, because they like spit it out. Yeah, it's gross, dude. Ew.
Crazy eye.
Come on, buddy. Yeah, I gotta put you in the dirt. Oh.
Dude, crazy. I have not seen a worm. It feels like I haven't seen a worm in like 10 years.
Really?
And then I saw you pick one up at Final Battle. And
There
I was
you
like,
go.
holy shit, how do you even see that? And then you see another one. You have a worm vision.
Yeah, dude, when it's worm season, I'll be out here and all along these cement bricks, worms everywhere. Like the biggest fucking worms that you've ever seen. Like huge, like thicker than my finger. Yeah, look at it. Where are you going, you know? What's on your agenda for the day? Eat? I'll take this off. Dirty ass car.
Goodbye.